Metricsquare mini body cam. A quick re-unboxing. I was messing around with it a bit before just to familiarize myself with it. Alright, so you get the camera itself. Oh, inside this is a reset tool to reset it. You can use this to push the SD card in, the micro SD card in if you want. What else we got here? Lanyard. Yeah, lanyard here. Hang it around your neck. Cleaning cloth. Owner's manual, and that's it. Also note that there's no documentation here saying to give a 5-star rating. You know, because a lot of these things you get, it tells you to give it a 5-star rating in exchange for a coupon or something. I don't know. That's the way things are nowadays, I guess. That's why I don't trust. That's why I don't trust a lot of the reviews on Amazon, because a lot of them are fake reviews. Anyway, this is gonna be an honest review. I bought this with my own money. You know, no one's paying me to say anything about this. So you know. Anyhow, this is the camera itself. This gets annoying because this is gonna hit the back of it. This is the lanyard strap here. You connect it in, you know, like that. And you're hanging around your neck. But this part, I'm probably gonna wind up taping this down when I test this out. The microphone's gonna pick this up. It's gonna be really annoying. It ruins the audio. Anyhow, all right. So this is the camera. You get the lens, the clip to hold it onto your shirt. This is the way you plug it into your computer. Well, for some reason, when you plug it in, you can't get the data off of it. I mean, you could charge it by plugging it in, but you can't read the data off of it. At least I tried to. I couldn't. So you got to pull the SD. I already have an SD card in there. It doesn't come with an SD card. You have to provide your. You have to you know, provide your own. So I have a 64 gigabyte SD card in there. I haven't tried putting a 128. They say 64 is the maximum. I haven't tried putting a 128 in there too. What would happen? Hang on, let me see something. They say 60. It's at a 64 gigabyte maximum. So let's put a 128 in there and see what happens. Anyhow, here's how you use this thing. You get the lens. Sorry, it's a little dirty. You got the lens. You got the clip in front. You got the here's the buttons. This is the power. It's off right now. Power on, off. This is the video record switch. Video record, and up here's the audio record. So you can video record or audio record. Oh, this is the button you can use to control switching the video recorder, audio recorder on or off from standby mode. And you got the USB interface here. It's not high speed or anything. It's just regular. So if you turn it on, now I have in video mode. So it turns on blue in video mode. It comes on, turns blue. Now it's in standby mode. And you gotta turn it, now click it on from the top. There it is. It flashes a couple times and now it's recording video. To turn it to audio mode, it turns green. And to get it started recording audio, press it. And it blinks twice, and now you're recording audio. Audio is green, video is blue. Turn it off, and that's it. You could, you know, switch it off, using a button, or just turn it off with the, you know, with the switch. That's it. That's pretty much it. Yeah. Shiny, glossy, you know, fingerprint magnet, but whatever. That's pretty much it. Yeah, I'll give you some specifications right now. Alright, so in terms of bitrate, I get around, you know, it's an AVI file it produces. So in terms of bitrate, I get around probably 13 or 14 megabits per second. It's got a 4-hour recording time, maximum 64 gigabytes, but I put a 128 in there and it seems to work okay. Working time, 180 to 240 minutes is 4 hours recording. 4 hours to charge. Yeah, 4 hours recording time. It's got 1980 by 1080 resolution, 560 milliamp hour battery, 560 milliamp. All right. milliamp hour battery. It tells you to go into a TXT file for the time settings. Easy to do. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, I'll go into some video footage right now. Thanks for watching, and as usual, there'll be a link in the description in case you want to buy it. Okay, thanks for watching. Take a picture, submit, delivered.